Alright, we got ourselves an automatic Glock 17. Thanks to Adam from NFA Review Channel for sending this over. Appreciate it. We got a 33 round mag. Of course, it's got the selector switch in the back and we have it on the full auto. And we got some spray paint. We all know what happens to spray paint. And it's time for me to get them back. And this time I have gone further back. And we're gonna shoot them, see what happens. Okay, Jasperi, go back. I don't want to have a spray paint color this Glock. Adam is gonna kill me. All right, let's go. All right. One of them flew back that way.
Hey, look, this one.
Oh, how did it not hit me? Okay, I think there's still some on the ground. Let's go take care of them. I don't know about that one. That's Betty. Oh, that was the green one. Oh, wow! It's well behind us. They were flying all over our heads. Didn't get me? Wow. That's surprising. Okay. No paint. We're good. That's it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching. We'll see you guys next time.